Thanks, Sean. He's arrived. I thought he'd gone. Okay. Cheers, Sean. All right. Right. I'm going to start with. I was going to do one, but this is in the book. This is one I wrote a while back. It's called "Wanted." Series of haikus. Wanted. A quiet little place to be used by King's Army for target practice. Strong opposition, denied clearance in England, choice location, Wales. Must be picturesque, of cultural importance with local history. If any complaints, leave among smouldering ashes at Pennyberth Farm. Reply, 8th of September 1936. Strong opposition, left the smouldering bomb in school, Ewers, Saunders Lewis. Right. When I wrote this, it was I wasn't really sure what to write about, but my grandmother's name was Elizabeth, and she always said, "Oh, my queen, my queen, my queen." And when my father said, "Oh, she's not my queen," she'd get awful upset, and she wasn't happy with it. So it's quite ironic that when I was looking up, there was quite a series of coincidences to my grandmother, who lived in poverty most of her life, compared to the queen who just a proof of that. This is called Also Elizabeth. In 1946, in the hope of creating a more common link with Wales, Princess Elizabeth was inducted to the Welsh Gorsedd of Bards at the National Eisteddfod, held at Mountain Ash in the Cynon Valley. A stone's throw away at Pontypridd Registry opposite, my grandmother, also Elizabeth, married my grandfather, who was not 6'1" or of Greek descent, but 5'3" and from Treon Street, Pentra, in the Rhondda Valley. But like Philip, Tommy served in the Navy, 1939 to 1945. And as Lilibet joined the Auxiliary Territorial Service, Betty painted bullets at Bridgend Arsenal. In 1952, Elizabeth Windsor was told of her father's death by her husband at the Treetops Hotel, Sagana Lodge, Kenya. Elizabeth Owen was told of her father's death by her husband in the lean-to kitchen of her terraced house in number 13 Upper Alma Place, Pentra, South Wales. On her 21st birthday, the future Queen Elizabeth Alexandra Mary, in a public appearance, said,
"I declare before you all that my whole life, whether it be long or short, shall be devoted to your service."
From 1952 until 2012, Queen Elizabeth II fulfilled her duty for 60 years as the second longest reigning British monarch, along with the Duke of Edinburgh as the longest serving consort to the Queen Regent. On his 21st birthday, my father's Uncle Emlyn suffered a severe attack of meningitis. He survived, but with limited capacity, and would have to be fed, bathed and cared for his whole life. My grandmother never made a public speech. She never made a declaration. Emlyn was her brother. From 1939 until 1985, she devoted 46 years of her life to caring for him. No one ever lined the streets to cheer for her. In 1986, my grandparents celebrated their ruby wedding anniversary. It was the first they'd ever spent as a couple. Diolch.